Hi, my name is Jonathan Lang with the Knauf Academy. Whether you're an experienced professional or a DIYer doing a project for the very first time, sometimes insulating wall cavities can be a little difficult because of electrical boxes and wires and other things that may be in the way. A lot of people don't know that insulation is actually graded 1, 2, and 3. Grade 1 being the best, grade 3, not so much. So let's take a look with my fellow Academy team member, Clint Shireman, at some tips and tricks on how to do the best job, navigate through the wall cavity, and achieve a grade 1 installation.
All right, so we just installed this wall to grade 1, and what we really want to look for is we want to make sure on unfaced material that we have the inkjet facing out so we can identify the product. We want the bat to be touching all 6 sides of the cavity, so side, top, bottom, front where the drywall will be going, and then the back. We also have obstructions in the cavity, so here we cut around the outlet box. We've made sure that the insulation goes all the way behind the box as well. This cavity, we have a wire in the middle that we split the bat, so we have insulation behind the wire, insulation in front of the wire. There's no compression, everything will fit just so. And then in this cavity, we have a plumbing stack. So we split the bat, made sure insulation is behind the pipe, uncompressed. And we put the insulation back up in front, uncompressed. We of course cut and notched around this other electrical box.